I'm gonna show you the best coupon for Luminar Neo. Now you can see if you click on the link on the description below or on the pinned comment down below, you can save up to 75% if you want to buy Luminar Neo. Now there's not only that, if I tap on few plans here, you can see it's no fluke or anything like that. You can see it's actually a 75% discount. You can see right here, 75% discount. AI editing up to 75% off. You can see it's both on lifetime perpetual license and a 12-month subscription as well. If you want to buy now, I also have another coupon code for you. So if you tap on buy now, you just go ahead and wait for this to load. Now, once it loads, you just want to tap on enter coupon code here. And then on here, you just want to tap on code in 20, tap on apply, and then let's just wait for this to load. And you can see right there, it just decreased, right? So that was a 20% discount. So if you tap in this code in 20, you can see you'll get a 20% discount. And then you can also just click on the link down below to get a 75% discount on top of that as well.